Cleaning and disinfection. Cleaning and disinfection involve the use of physical or chemical processes to reduce, remove, inactivate, or destroy pathogenic microorganisms. It is an essential procedure in the control of highly pathogenic avian influenza (HPAI) outbreak. It reduces the risk of the spread of the HPAI, which can occur through direct or indirect contamination of the premises, equipment, vehicles, animal products, etc. Poultry production facilities designated as infected premises during HPAI outbreak must be cleaned and disinfected before restocking. The HPAI virus, which has a lipid envelope, can be effectively and economically inactivated using physical or chemical disinfectants. Common terminologies. Cleaning. It involves the removal of gross contamination, organic material, and debris from premises or equipment using mechanical means, water, soap, or detergents. Disinfection. It refers to the process of using physical, chemical, or a combination of both methods to destroy or eliminate various microbes from inanimate surfaces. Disinfectants. These substances destroy or eliminate microbes from various inanimate surfaces, excluding some bacterial spores. Detergents. These substances remove soil and organic matter from premises and equipment surfaces by reducing the surface tension of water, which ultimately increases the efficacy of disinfectants. Sanitizers. They reduce the microbial load in the environment significantly, but do not eliminate microorganisms completely. Antiseptics. They reduce the risk of infection by killing or inhibiting the growth of microbes on the external surface of animals or humans, such as skin. Sterilants. These compounds eliminate all forms of microbial life, including bacterial spores, fungi, and viruses, from different surfaces. In general, sterilants have the highest efficacy in the destruction of the microorganisms, followed by disinfectants, antiseptics, and sanitizers. Steps of cleaning and disinfection of poultry premises. As the name suggests, the cleaning and the disinfection process can be divided into two processes: cleaning and disinfection. The first cleaning process can be conducted in essentially 3 steps. 1. Dry cleaning. Remove gross contamination and organic material using shovels, brooms, or brushes, avoiding air blowers to prevent pathogen spread. 2. Washing. Wash premises, surfaces with detergent, pre-soaking if needed, and scrubbing to remove oils, grease, and organic material. 3. Rinse and dry. Thoroughly rinse surfaces with water to remove residues, and let the surfaces to dry completely before disinfectant application. Disinfection of the poultry premises can be carried out in 3 sequential steps, and they are: 1. Application. Apply disinfectant according to manufacturer instructions using spraying, fogging, immersing, or wiping methods. 2. Contact time. Allow adequate contact time for the disinfectant to work effectively and reapply it if necessary to keep the surface wet. 3. Rinse and dry. After the contact time, rinse surfaces thoroughly with clean water to remove chemical residue and let it air dry before restocking the area. In situations where conventional cleaning and disinfection methods are not feasible, poultry premises should remain vacant for 120 days or for a duration recommended by the Incident Command. Also, keep a detailed record of cleaning and disinfection, including the date, specific products used, dilution rate, contact time, processes, etc., for regulatory purposes. Commonly used disinfectants. There are more than 350 disinfectant products approved for use against HPAI by the EPA. Common classes of the disinfectants are: 1. Quaternary ammonium compounds. They work by disrupting the viral envelope. For example, NutraQuat 256, Quat 3, Maquat 32MN, etc. 2. Phenolics. These class of disinfectants damage the viral proteins and lipids. For example, Vesveni, R, Twices, Pine-Sol, One-Stroke, Osil, etc. 3. Sodium hypochlorite. It is a strong oxidizing agent and it damages viral nucleic acids and proteins. For example, Clorox, generic bleach, etc. 4. Iodine and iodophores. They contain iodine which denatures the viral proteins. These compounds are safe and less toxic but ineffective in presence of organic debris. For example, betadine and welladol. 5. Other oxidizing compounds. They have broad-spectrum activity and are effective against HPAI too. For example, Virkon S, Oxycept 333, etc. How to clean and disinfect equipment and vehicles. All the poultry equipment should be cleaned and disinfected using appropriate disinfectants. Many chemical disinfectants are corrosive against metallic surfaces, so flame gun might be useful. Alcoholic detergents might swell and harden rubber. Iodophores might put stain on the surface, and wood should be preferably dry cleaned and disinfected. Cleaning and disinfection. Points to remember. Virus is inactivated in a gradual way, so adequate contact time of the disinfectant to the surface is essential. Personal protective equipment such as bodysuit, glove, goggles, mask, etc. should be worn while disinfecting the premises. The preparation and application of disinfectants should strictly follow the product label directions. Other points to remember during cleaning and disinfection are: 4. Fumigation can be done when wet cleaning is not feasible, particularly for the electronics, hatching equipment, and other machineries. 5. Presence of organic matter negatively affects the efficacy of some disinfectants, such as chlorine and iodine-based compounds. 6. Temperature, surface type, pH, water quality, weather, etc. also affect the efficacy of cleaning and disinfection.